Let's continue today's lesson. So your notes, page 1, we continue the part for rates. Yesterday we finished 1A and now we go on to example 1B. So in the competition, Nancy ran for 1,440 meters in 4 minutes. Find her running speed. So this time there are two different kind of units. So first one is simple. We divide the 1,440 meters with 4 minutes. So which is 360 meters per minute. So for second one, for different time units, which is second, so that means we think about how many seconds in 4 minutes. So which is simple, 4 times 60, that is 240 seconds. So divided by 1,440, so the answer is 6 meters per second. Okay, so let's move on to page 2. So there are 2 questions for you to try. So 1A part A, simply divide 182 with 2, so the answer is 91 calls per week. And then part B, there are 14 days in 2 weeks, so that means divided by 14. 1 make 2 divided by 14, so the answer is 13 calls per day. Okay, so move on to 1B. So part A, simply divide up 9,000 with 15, 600 meters per minute. So and then for part B, so we need to change the number to 2 different units. First of all, 9,000 meters is 9 km, and then 15 minutes, so we divide it by 60 to get the number for hour. So again, 1/4. Finally, the answer is 36 km per hour. So let's move on to level 2, word problem questions. So in a factory, a machine can produce 1,620 toys in 6 hours. Well, part A, simple, asks you to find the production rate of the machine. So we simply can take a look on the units given in order for us to know which number on the top divided by which number. So toy per hour, that means number of toys divided by the number of hours. So it's simply 1,620 toys over 6 hours. So that is 270 toys per hour. Okay, and part B. So the factory needs to produce 2,900 toys in 10 hours. So asking us to use the result of A to decide to say whether the machine can complete the job on time. So the result in A is we know the machine can produce 270 toys in an hour. So actually, how many toys can be made in 10 hours? We can just simply multiply them together, then we know the number is 2,700 only, so we compare with the number here required. Actually, we see this one is smaller than, right? That means the machine cannot complete. Okay, so we need to use the number 2,700 to explain. So that is the number of toys that the machine can be produced in 10 hours. So the answer in part A, 270 toys per hour, multiply with the number of hours, 10. So that is 2,700 toys. And this one is smaller than the one required. So therefore, the machine cannot complete the job on time. So pay attention, you need to do this comparison in order to get the last 1 mark, alright? So last question today. Please try in Ch.2.1. So part A is walking speed. Divide 0.75 km by 1/4 hour, so 3 km per hour. So part B, we can find the distance that he can walk in 2 hours, which is 6. So of course he can finish within 2 hours. Well, that's it today. So please use the remaining lesson time to start your classwork on exercise 2A, question 1 up to 14.